Good evening. Today I'll be sharing my Johari window as part of my task. So, which is this is a framework that helps me understand myself better through the four areas: open, blind, hidden, and unknown. So, in terms of the open area, these are the traits that I know about myself and others also recognize about me. So, for example, I am a very helpful and supportive person. I can be pretty talkative and outgoing, and I also enjoy learning new things, especially in tech. And I consider myself to be motivated and hardworking, and I also like doing research and tutoring students. So in the blind area, it's things about me that others notice in me, but I don't always recognize in myself. For example, people might see that I sometimes take on too much responsibility, which can lead to stress. I can also be pretty hesitant to speak up, even if I have good ideas, because I am shy or I'm too anxious at the time. And at times, I may be a bit too direct and honest, and sometimes I can be very self critical than I realize. Then we have the hidden area, which includes parts of me that I keep more private. For example, I sometimes feel shy or unsure, even if it does not show. I also you tend to like doubt my abilities at times, even though I feel like I'm capable of doing that certain thing. And sometimes I don't usually share openly uh, that I want to like improve my speaking and my accent. Finally, the unknown area. These are things that represent neither I nor others fully know yet. So this could be like my full potential in cybersecurity one day because I'm still like in the starting point. I also how I might grow as a researcher or how I'd respond to like big life challenges. It also includes like talents I haven't explored yet, whether it's in leadership or creativity. So overall, my Johari window shows me both the strengths that I already know and the areas where I can grow both through self-reflection and by also like listening to feedback from others. Thank you.